Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So let's get started. So if you want to set a profile picture on WhatsApp but you don't want to lose the quality of that picture, so now to do that what you have to do is you just have to log in your WhatsApp in your Chrome. So what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your Chrome browser, now you just have to search for WhatsApp web login. And after searching for WhatsApp web login, you will come up to a page where you just have to tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right, and then change your mobile site to desktop site. So just simply turn this option on and then log into your account. And after logging into your account from here, what you have to do is just simply select a person that you would like to send the picture to. So for example, I would like to set this picture as my profile picture and it is in HD quality. So you can find if that profile picture is on high quality or not by looking at the HD icon. So if you can find this HD icon on the profile picture, that means it is in high quality. But if you can't find it, that means it is not in high quality. So just simply look for those pictures. So if you don't have a HD picture, then you can't upload it in high quality. So just make sure that you have a HD picture, and from here what you have to do is just simply expand it by tapping on that, and from here you just have to download the following image. So first you have to upload or send the following image to a person in your WhatsApp web from your Chrome, and then download it. And after downloading it, now what you have to do is just simply come back and then tap on your profile which is on the top of your screen. And after tapping on your profile, just again tap on the profile, and from here you just have to tap on upload photo and then upload the photo and then tap on done, and then select the photo and then tap on done. And after doing that, now you can see guys, and here you can see guys, the video quality is high, so it's in HD. So now what you can do is just simply tap on upload or the tick icon which you can find, and after doing that your profile picture will be uploaded. That's it guys, this is how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.